Morning guys, it's day 3 today. Day 3? Yeah, day 3. And it's Wednesday, I think. And we got up incredibly late again. Dishes are about to be done. And it's going to be another action-packed day. And today we're going to Dorchester to go around the market, which will probably be the other time we go, be gone. But we need to go and get some shopping anyway. So that's what we're going to do. So next job, do the dishes, then finish getting ready, jump on the bus again, and yeah, toddle on to Dorchester. See you in a minute. Right, so walking back from Dorchester now, well, from the bus stop at least, and we've been on an incredibly crowded bus, so that was fun. I had to stand up the whole way. Grandma luckily got a seat, and just walking back now. It's very muggy, weather-wise, very, very, very muggy, and got some shopping, of course, which is what we wanted. And we're going to have a bit of a sort of early-ish, easy day, yeah. Not really do too much because we've had a busy day yesterday. Right.
Yeah, Grandma's knees are saying yuck today.
Grandma's knees are saying nope. So we're going to go and have a sit down. Might even be warm enough to sit out in the awning. I don't know. It's a bit windy though, isn't it?
Yeah, if you got the windbreak thing.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Right, anyway. We're going to go back to the caravan, have a drink, have a sit down. See you there. Right then, we're back and we have had a nice little sleep and a nice little relax. So now it's 6 o'clock again. 6 o'clock is a dinner time, and listening to the weather. It's gonna rain. Rain again. It's now dinner time. We'll start to make dinner, you know, not dinner time. Time to make some dinner. So what's going on in here then, Grandma, dinner-wise?
Carbonara today.
Oh.
Yeah.
Trying to find some parts.
Where's that little red knife?
Oh, it's in the in there over there.
Oh, okay.
Our cutlery tray. Many things. I'll get it out because I'm kind.
Cutting the onion up.
Cut some onion up. Oh.
Yep.
Pasta.
Got the tagliatelle on.
Tagliatelle.
Got chicken.
Chicken.
Ham.
Ham.
Sweet corn.
Sweet corn.
And cheese sauce.
Cheese sauce.
White Philadelphia. Cheese.
Sounds good to me. Hope you've enjoyed today's vlog then, guys. See you tomorrow. Sorry it's been a bit of a shorter vlog today. I haven't really done much, so no point in vlogging doing nothing. Right, anyway, see you tomorrow. Don't really know where we're going tomorrow. I think we might go into Weymouth. Have a look round. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Cheers, bye.